InspireData 1.5 builds critical data literacy skills and engages students. They actively explore and analyze data using dynamic Venn, bar, stack, pie, and axis plots to interpret information and draw conclusions in science, mathematics, and social studies. Students work with data using two unique environments, Table View and Plot View. In Table View, they record and collect data. And in Plot View, they explore and analyze the data using multiple plot types. Originally funded under a grant from the National Science Foundation and developed by Turk and Inspiration Software, InspireData 1.5 has been created and published by Inspiration Software to give students tools that support improved data literacy. Getting started with InspireData is easy. From the new starter screen, you can create a new database, open an existing file, download an e-survey, learn to use InspireData with classroom projects, lesson plans, quick reference cards, and even more teacher resources, and access more than 100 content-rich databases for science, mathematics, social studies, and more. Data collection is simple with InspireData. Choose from one of the 100-plus databases and templates, or develop your own database structure. Databases include previously collected data. This jumpstarts the inquiry process for students as they become familiar with InspireData. Each database also includes a database template that has a predefined structure to guide data collection. Data is arranged in fields and records. New records are easily added. Import data into InspireData from other sources, such as spreadsheet programs or websites, or use one of the built-in data collection tools, such as the Survey tool. With the new e-survey tool, you can easily publish surveys online to collect data anytime, anywhere. Respondents simply visit the safe e-survey webpage, enter the survey ID, take the survey, and the collected data will be available to download into InspireData at any time. Once data has been collected, students move instantly from data collection to data interpretation with just one click. In Plot View, data is distributed freely, without meaning. This encourages students to begin the inquiry process and choose the best representations of the data. By simply clicking on a button in the toolbar, you can create a Venn, stack, pie, or axis plot. Venn plots offer a powerful way to compare and analyze the relationships between sets of data. It's easy to see the similarities between students that get less than 8 hours of sleep and those who have a hard time waking up. Each icon represents a record from the table. Icons can be customized to add meaning to plots. Icons can be created from the icon editor or selected from InspireData's icon library. Graphic files can also be imported to create custom icons. Students can continue to explore relationships and add meaning to plots by selecting colors to identify different fields, such as gender. This helps students recognize trends and patterns in the data. Stack plots take the same data and define the values within one field into categories, such as hours of sleep. All of the fields from the table are available to select as an axis, making it simple to change values and create new plots. InspireData offers basic statistical tools, such as mean and median, to help students further analyze data. Any stack plot can be converted into a bar chart with one click, a new feature in this latest version of InspireData. Parallel stack plots can also be created to compare unique characteristics of data. Axis plots allow students to create scatter graphs, which provide a great way to investigate correlations. A new feature in this latest version of InspireData is the ability to draw a line graph, or display a line of best fit in axis plots. Pie plots divide data into categories. Using the Calculate tool, percentages can be added to support data analysis. InspireData provides tools that allow students to expand upon and share their observations and findings. The Notes tool is an effective way to support data analysis with more detail. Here, students can add explanations or document processes and observations. Teachers use Notes as an assessment tool to ensure students understand the plots. To present their projects, students may use InspireData's unique slideshow feature to capture and play back a series of plots. The data in each slide remains live, allowing further data exploration from within the slide. Another unique feature in InspireData is the animated time series. Students use this feature to watch data move as it changes over time. InspireData builds critical data literacy skills and engages students. More than 100 content-rich databases, the eSurvey tool, and database templates jumpstart data collection. Students actively explore data using dynamic Venn, bar, stack, pie, and axis plots to interpret information and draw conclusions. Teachers use InspireData to identify classroom trends and support data-driven decision-making. Try InspireData 1.5, the visual way to explore and understand data today. Download the 30-day trial and get inspired.